Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into August Smart Lock app for keyless entry setup, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, ensure that your August Smart Lock is installed and powered on. Download the August Smart Lock app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it on your smartphone. You will be prompted to create an account if you haven't done so already. Fill in your email address and create a strong password. After entering your details, tap on the Create Account button. Check your email for a verification link from August and click it. Return to the app and log in with your registered email and password. If you already have an account, simply open the app and enter your credentials. Once logged in, the app will guide you through the keyless entry setup. Follow the prompts to connect the app to your smart lock via Bluetooth. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled for a successful connection. The app will search for your smart lock, so ensure that you are near it. Once your lock appears on the screen, select it to begin the setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. You may need to grant permission for location services to facilitate the process. Once setup is complete, you can customize settings like granting guest access. You can now enjoy the convenience of keyless entry with your August Smart Lock. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.